Hello guys, I'm Chandakarnakaran. I'm a music producer. In this video, we'll take a look at the different chord modes that are available inside FLKeys. So this will be a game changer. Stick out till the end of the video so that you can understand completely the different features. So without any delay, let's get inside the video. In order to enter the scale mode in FLKeys, you have to press Shift plus Scale button. Once inside the scale mode, you can see the bottom row of pads light so that you can select a scale. There are totally 8 scales starting from minor, major, Dorian, Mixolydian, Phrygian, harmonic minor, minor pentatonic and major pentatonic. By default, all the roots of the scale are in C. If you have to change the root, then you can go ahead and press a key on the keyboard. Once your root on the scale is selected, press the scale button again and now you can play the keyboard free from all the fears of making an error. Now let's explore this fixed chord button. Inside fixed chord, you can easily make a chord shape and then transpose it. Press and hold the fixed chord button, and while still holding it, you have to press and release the keys you want to be in your chord. Now you can see the chord shape is stored and you can easily transpose the chord with the keys. Now let's get inside the scale chord mode. Inside the scale chord mode, you'll find banks of predefined chords. So basically, you'll have triads, sevenths, ninths and 6/9. You can access all these by using the page keys left and right arrow. Now again, all the chords in the bank are in C scale by default. Now you can go ahead, press a key on the keyboard to change the root note. You can also select a scale from the scale mode by using the Shift plus Scale button and then come back to the scale chord and play the chord in that particular scale. That's awesome. Now let's go ahead and explore the user chord mode. In this mode, you can assign up to 6 note chords to each pad. These chords are stored inside the internal memory of FLKeys, so they are available even if you turn the FLKeys off and on. After working with this keyboard for a week, I definitely love this keyboard. It has such a solid integration with FL Studio. I would recommend this keyboard to everyone in general, but especially if you're not a person who owns a FL Studio Fire previously, or if you are a person who is new to FL Studio, then definitely this keyboard will provide you so much ease with your workflow, and it has so much feature sets hidden. So definitely get this keyboard and start exploring. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did find this information useful, then definitely subscribe to my channel. More such videos are on the way. So like this video, share this with your friends and definitely drop a comment. For now, bye.